Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How about a very simple tutorial? The today function. Let's take a look. It basically just says today. We want to know what today is. We just type in today. But let's throw in a little bit of change. All right, we want to know the expiration date. Well, how many days was it from this particular day? Hit F9. You can just see what's going on here. Randomness. Okay, you remember ran between? I just picked random stuff. It could be a date anywhere from January 1st, 2023 to the end of 2029. From 12/29. Now you're going to see, well, Brad, you said today. What we're looking at is from today, and we can change this up any way we want. 2019-24. That's 641 days in the future. Keep that in mind. 3/15/23. That's -4 because it must be 3/19/23. I know that's kind of a clue, but trying to not note the dates here. But you can see this is all forward looking. And now if you want to change this and you want, let's say you want today to be something in 2029, just put it up here. Just put date. Just put start date up here and then just put something in 2029 and reference it. Well, what's here? Why don't we just go 5/7/2029? What we can do is we can go B5 minus, and then we just reference this. That's 721 days from today. Not a big deal. So that could be your today. You can change today any way you want. Let me show you what today looks like. Equals, and notice there are no additional arguments within today. It's just a one-shot deal, and it is live. What do I mean that? They use the word dynamic, really. It's active. In other words, when you open up your spreadsheet tomorrow, it will say 3/20/23. So use now, and we'll get into this in a bit. Now, and that means another active cell. You can put now, and then you can add some accessories to it, meaning you can go now, and then you can add a time function to it, but we'll get to that later. Anyway, just introduction to the today function, and we'll use it from time to time. Over here to your right, you can see, and this is kind of a repeat of what we've done already, but you can read the summary over here. Anyway, that's a quick summary of the today function. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks a lot.